Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. If you have floors in your house that need mopping, I promise you this is going to be the best mopping tool you have ever used. This is the BISSELL lightweight hard floor spin mop, and it has changed the game for me. I actually get excited to clean my floors now. Not only is it super lightweight and easy to maneuver, but you can spray the solution whenever you want, so you know exactly how much is going on your floor, and it doesn't get too dry and it doesn't get too wet. I have used other spray mops that didn't have the spinning function, and this is the absolute game changer for me. Just spinning it will absolutely get up all that dirt and stuck on mess. Instead of having to put your back into it and really scrub the floors, all you have to do is push the button and it spins it right off for you. It also has these awesome hooks for wrapping the cord up, so it's not going to get all in a tangled mess wherever you put it away. And it stays standing upright on its own, so you don't have to prop it against anything and worry about it falling over. I also told my friend about this as soon as I bought it, and she went and bought one right away, and she has been raving about it constantly. Even her son likes to use it. She cleans her floors a ton, but this picked up so much extra, she could not believe it. She sent me some videos to show me exactly how clean it got her floors. Even though she had already cleaned them, it picked up so much more dirt. If you have floors that you need mopping in your house, I highly recommend getting this spin mop. It has absolutely changed the way I look at mopping my floors, and it makes it so much easier. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. This will be your favorite new tool, and that's my point of view.